Yeah, nice outfield. One thing that's improved a lot for me in India since I first started coming here is the outfield. Outfields are amazing, and wicket looks good. Indoor facilities are beautiful as well. I think it's important as well because it rains a lot, so that's good. Players always look for excuses not to perform, and the good thing is that what's happening here is there's not many excuses for players not to perform. And that's the beauty of what's happening here in Tripura. So looking forward to my experience here.
Have you met the players?
No, I haven't. We'll get there. But for me, you know, that's not really the issue. The issue is cricket. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether you're in India or Australia or South Africa, everybody speaks one language, and that's cricket. So you know, players all want to improve in different areas, and I'm here to help with that if I can.
When will you start your works?
Probably tomorrow. This is work for me as well, so I've started already. Speaking to you guys is work, but yeah, I mean I've got 100 days here, so there's lots of time for me as director of cricket, not director, but as consultant. It's important that I observe and I see what's going on and help where I can. You know, I'm not here to take anybody's place as a coach or take anybody's place as anything else. I'm just here to observe and to help where I can, and to help coaches where I can as well. You know, not just players. If there's coaches that need some advice or some help, I'm here to help as well. I'm not here to take over any practice, any games or anything like that. I'm just here to observe and to help where I can.
Thank you, sir.